Did you know the world's most famous art theft happened in broad daylight, and the thief simply walked out of the front door? August 22nd, 1911. Louis Barou arrives at the Louvre and freezes. Empty wall hooks stare back at him where the Mona Lisa should hang. The culprit, Vincenzo Peruggia, an Italian glazier who had been installing protective glass cases. He knew the museum inside and out. His plan was shockingly simple. Hide in a supply closet overnight, wait for morning. Then, wearing his work uniform, he calmly removed the painting from its frame in broad daylight and walked straight out the front entrance. The theft exploded across international headlines. Police even falsely accused Pablo Picasso. For 2 years, the Mona Lisa vanished completely. December 1913, Peruggia finally surfaces, trying to sell the masterpiece to an Italian art dealer. He believed he was returning it to Italy. His capture made headlines worldwide. Ironically, this theft transformed the Mona Lisa from just another Renaissance painting into the world's most famous artwork.